So these are some snails, various snails that are found in Sibulan watershed. But these are smaller compared to the Helicostyloportae. So that's our site. We studied in Coeli Island, that's on the eastern part of Luzon. It's actually 2 hours of travel by boat from the port of Real Quezon. And then this one, I think it's not clear. There's a dark smudge, dark patch in this map where, so the dark part there is actually the Sibulan watershed. It's only the undisturbed area in the Polillo Island. Then this is the Helicostyloportae. Helicostyloportae is actually popular back in the 19th century because back then snail collectors used to desire its shell. And then these are the list of Helicostylus species in the Philippines. Mostly, they are described mostly between 1840 to 1900s, possibly because during those times, snails are fashionable. And then this photo is the butaan feeding on this is the photo of the butaan feeding on the snail Helicostyloportae. So, the shell of Helicostyloportae is regularly present in the lizard feces of butaan. In this table, among all the other animal prey of butaan, Helicostyloportae has the most occurrence, having the frequency occurrence of 31.73, and meaning with Helicostyloportae is indeed the main animal prey of the butaan. So this crushed snail was actually the same snail as shown in this slide. The thing with butaan is that when it eats the snail, it does not eat it wholly. It does not swallow it completely. What the butaan does is that it will break the shell and then remove the snail completely out of it. So that's why in this next photo, you will see tiny fragments of snail's shell in the lizard species. So this is the teeth of the Varanus olivaceous. As you can see, the jaws are actually thick and they are strong. Its teeth are really fashioned to crush the snail's shell. As compared to these ones of the bayawak, its jaws are thin and the teeth are smaller. So it won't be able to crush the snail's shell. So Helicostyloportae is one of the largest snail in Polillo Island, and it's actually one of the largest snail in the Philippines. So this is the bobbin we use. It's actually made of polyester thread, and its proper name is cocoon bobbin, and it's commonly used for embroidery. It normally weighs 4.7 grams and its length is 320 meters. The reason why we use this type of thread is that the end of the thread wounds out from the middle of the thread, not from the outside. So this prevents the thread from snapping or tangling when the snail forages and moves in the forest. So this is an example of the spool and line technique applied to the butaan. This is actually tied to the butaan's tail. And then these are the movement patterns of the butaan. On the left image, you can see that this one is the spool. That one, it goes up and down, and then on this image, the butaan moved up, down, then up again, then down. So the butaan moved twice in these three. Then these are the thread trails as an example of spool and line technique and how it is used in the Butaan. So, in using in the spool and line technique, we first we use shoe bond to attach the spool to the snail's shell because the other glues didn't work. First, we wrap the bobbin in the plastic, then attach the bobbin to the snail's shell, then tape it over the snail's shell using the PVC electrical tape. And then next is we let go the snail to the exact point of its, to the exact place where it was found. So, as far as we know, nobody had studied snail movements in the Philippines, so we are asking this very basic questions. So next, this is a picture of the snail on the site we studied. That also, and then this, it's obvious that the snail move up and down the tree many times. So it's the vertical movements of the snail. And this one is the horizontal movements of the snail. That's the, you can see the blue spool along the fern tree. Is that fern?